In this video, I will discuss a topic that you are familiar with. This topic is about how to manifest easily and effortlessly using Neville Goddard's teaching. Manifesting is easy, and you can have anything you want. You can make your desires a living reality if you honestly apply the teachings of Neville Goddard. Neville's work was always focused on changing the self, what we think and feel inside of us. He never told you to change your external physical reality. He said, "No one to change but self." If you accept this, you will know how physical reality is operating. But even after knowing this, some people don't look inside themselves. They don't change their internal story. Their focus remains on the outside world, and when their attention is placed on the outer circumstances, nothing changes. It is because consciousness is the only reality. You might have heard this statement again and again. Consciousness is the only reality. Also, you know that a human being is a conscious being. Right now, as you are watching this video, your eyes and ears are focused on the words that are appearing on the screen and on the sound that is coming out of your device. By using your physical senses, you become conscious of the information that is being presented to you. Your physical senses are a way through which you become conscious of something. But hear me out clearly, it is not the only way to become conscious. You are gifted with imagination, and imagination is also a way through which you can become conscious. Close your eyes and imagine a monkey, its face, its eyes, and him eating a banana. By doing this, you became conscious of a monkey. When you open your eyes, you don't see a monkey, but it was there. You were able to see it eating a yellow banana. How were you able to do that? Well, it is because of the internal senses that you have. Just like external, physical senses, you have some internal senses. Each one of us has these senses. Now, to manifest effectively, you have to become conscious of your desired reality by using these internal senses. You have heard about becoming conscious of something that you have to experience. You have heard that you have to imagine the wish being fulfilled. But why is that? Well, it has a very simple, straightforward answer. It is because consciousness is the one and only reality. Now, whatever you become conscious of becomes your reality. Are you conscious of being broke or rich? Are you conscious of being lovable or unlovable? Now whatever you are conscious of being becomes your reality. That is why you see people manifesting the same results again and again, because they are too focused on their external reality. When they are too focused on certain outcomes, they become conscious of them, which is why they manifest them again and again in their reality. There is no need to focus on the external reality. You have to internally accept as true whatever you want to experience. You don't have to change another person physically. All you have to do is change your inner story. When you change the story within, you change what you are conscious of, and when it changes, you automatically shift the external reality. As consciousness is the one and only reality. When you understand this, you will know the reality creation principle. People say that they have been trying to manifest X, Y, and Z but are still unable to do so. This is happening because they are still focusing on the opposite circumstances more than they are focusing on having the desire. Always remember, when you manifest something, there is no going back. But if they are confused about their desire, they don't fully get into the state of having it. They think that they will do some X, Y, and Z technique and then have it, and after that, they will return to their present state. But it doesn't work like that. You have to change yourself internally and stay consistent with your assumption to manifest it in your physical reality. Neville Goddard always told us not to worry about the outside world and to concentrate on changing ourselves. So, my only advice for you to manifest your desires in your reality is to consistently become aware of having your desire. Do this by simply closing your eyes and imagining experiencing your desired reality here and now. Doing this every day, every moment, will help you land on the feeling of a wish fulfilled. When you open your eyes, your physical senses will tell you that your desire is not here. Don't fight with it. Again, go internally and imagine it. You have to do it till you get whatever you want in your physical reality. Live your life and imagine possessing the object of your desire. It will become a dominant feeling within you. This is the easiest way to have whatever you want. I hope this video has helped you tremendously. Subscribe, as I post these videos regularly. I will meet you with another golden nugget. Happy manifesting.